Throughout this project, I learned multiple things. Firstly, I learned how to design according to the needs of your client, and perhaps that's the most important thing. So in this case, we're designing a cleaning product for 3M, which is to be used to clean the metro train. So this product can't be just anything, but it has to be a product that allows the metro cleaning staffs to clean the interior or the exterior of the train, but the product also needs to be on the align with 3M's interest, their company direction, etc. So that leads to my second point, that I learned a lot through my research, and I learned how, for example, that how do metros clean their train, like 2 a.m. in the morning, and the existing 3M product and what 3M's interests are. So all these researches allows me to make my final decision for the design. So they are really the research process are really important in this case. And lastly, I learned a lot about teamwork, and that how we allocate roles in our group, how everyone do research, and how everyone contributes idea, and how we communicate with each other, and these sort of things. So what I like about this project is that I really like our invention. I would say it's really innovative. Instead, we're using gel to clean the train. So instead of a bit of our traditional approach, which is using mechanical tools, we add a bit of chemical elements in it. And the fact that the gel, it's an already existing product in the market, it's just used to clean computer keyboards, but the fact that we can manipulate for other products, so I think it's manufacturable. So it's a highlight that the tool can actually work in reality. It's not a friction. Secondly, what I really like our group work. Everyone handed work on time, everyone discussed, everyone contributed, and everyone communicates well. We had multiple group meetings, and the communication, it's a really important process that allows us to put things together at the end, especially at the end. And what I wish I can improve more, it's I need to improve more on my drawings. I need to add a bit more perspective, perhaps a bit of color, so my drawing can have more volume instead of just black and white or blue and white diagrams. And I think secondly, I need to learn more on how to use the campus equipment. The fact that I didn't prepare that well, perhaps, to use the equipment to print out A1, perhaps that's something I need to improve on. And I need to be more familiar on the campus equipment to print out color papers for A1, A2, or etc. And overall, I think it's a really successful and a fun experience. What we've learned throughout this project, it's certainly contributed to, has certainly becomes a very solid foundation that will lead us to a beneficial future development.